patronage of foreign local cloud hosting providers at the detriment of local providers has been a cause for concern for some industry stakeholders. With the aim to address this dilemma, the Nigerian Information-Technology Reporters Association (NITRA) organized a forum inviting stakeholders in the public and private industry. The event took place at City Heights Hotel, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria, on Thursday, the 27th of May, 2021. The theme of the forum was Achieving 30% Growth in Local Cloud Hosting by 2024. In attendance at the event were the Director General of NITDA, Malam Kashifu Inuwa, ably represented by Choma Oke-Agugu, the head of NITDA Southwest Zonal Office, the President of NIRA and the Managing Director of Internet Exchange Point of Nigeria (IXPN), Muhammad Rudman, Ayatunde Koka, the Managing Director, RAC Center, Aderemi Adejumo, the MD of Cloudflex, and Precious Ara, the CEO of Vintage Complaints. Speaking on the significance of this event, the chairman of Nigerian Information-Technology Reporters Association, Chikey Onyemuchi, said the event will create awareness of the NITDA policy on 30% local cloud hosting by 2024.
Like I said in my opening remark, that the next big thing that is happening to ICT is cloud. The first one was internet. Then cloud is another big thing that is happening to ICT development worldwide. Because you look at banks, like one of the speakers pointed out that the data that banks are generating. So how do you handle this data? You cannot have your own infrastructure. That's the server. You need to outsource it to somebody who is his job to make sure that your data is secured and available at any point in time. And you also see that most businesses are going to cloud. You must use IT. Mobile to do your business. You can stay at the comfort of your house to make transactions, to buy things, and all the information that you require or the merchant require is domiciled in cloud. Is because of how our way of life is now moving towards ICT online. There is need for cloud, and cloud must. And you find out that the unfortunate thing is that most of the cloud providers are not in country. They are operators from outside Nigeria. And we have operators in Nigeria that can do provide a quality service. But we said, okay, how do you... NITDA has come up with a policy. And that policy, if you don't talk about that policy, if you don't make people aware about the policy, if not for some people in the industry don't even know that NITDA has a policy that talked about 30% cloud computing by 2024. But since 2019, it has been sitting there and nobody's talking about it. With this event today, we believe that it's going to create that awareness for people and even for NITDA to try and implement, to make sure that this thing, they will realize this objective.
On the advantages of localized cloud hosting, the president of Internet Exchange Point of Nigeria, Muhammad Rudman, said it eliminates the threat of security challenges posed by data sharing with foreign host providers.
Comes in when you localize your traffic, it means that you have access to information within the shores of your country. If that information is hosted outside Nigeria, let's assume a particular governor has the state government website hosted outside Nigeria, it means that communication between him and his PA will have to leave the shores of Nigeria to go to that country where the email server is and for the email to be fetched back into the country. It means that those countries can intercept, other companies within those countries can intercept their email addresses. So for the essence of national data sovereignty is important for all government data to be hosted within the shores of Nigeria. That's what we're saying when it comes to security.
Aderemi Adejumo spoke on the security concerns associated with storage of data in the cloud and reassured that cloud storage is the most secured means of data storage.
But when you talk about the cloud, people think that the cloud implies that you're putting it out there on a window, everybody can see your data. It's not as simple as that. The data is secure, data is encrypted, and your data is even far secure being within our shores than being out of our shores. It's absolutely far more secure than that. And also, you now talk about the difference in people who keep their data on-premise, i.e. in their own office, as opposed to keeping it in the cloud. In your office, everybody knows where your data is. In the cloud, nobody knows where it is. Even if they know the location, they can't even get in there.
Among the highlights of the event was the unveiling of the maiden edition of the NITRA magazine called Technology Echo, and a panel discussion moderated by the chairman of the event, Muhammad Rudman, who led conversations on the need for collaboration among indigenous cloud hosting service providers. With these strategic conversations, increased public awareness and leverage on the NITDA cloud hosting policy, Nigeria is positioned to emerge a significant share of the 1.7 billion cloud market in Africa.